Welcome to my channel Creative Product Review. Here are the top 5 motorcycle boots man. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 1. Motorcycle Boots Man. The Skoiko Cowhide Motocross Boots deliver solid protection, comfort, and durability for everyday riders and motocross enthusiasts. Made from high-quality cowhide leather, they offer excellent abrasion resistance and a secure fit. The waterproof design keeps your feet dry in wet conditions, while the reinforced ankle and toe protection enhance safety during rides. The boots feel sturdy yet comfortable for long use, and the anti-slip sole provides good grip. Overall, a reliable and stylish choice for motorbike riding and racing. Number 2. Motorcycle Boots Man. The Riding Trider B1004 motorcycle boots offer solid protection and style for motocross and street riders alike. Made from durable leather, these long knee-high boots provide excellent ankle and shin support, keeping you secure on tough rides. The white-black design looks sharp and the build quality feels reliable for daily use. With sizes ranging from 10-45, they fit a wide range of riders. Comfortable, sturdy, and well-designed, great value for off-road and MotoGP. Number 3. Motorcycle Boots Man. These men's motorcycle boots deliver solid protection and all-weather performance for riders who need reliability on and off the road. The waterproof build keeps your feet dry, while the rugged construction offers great ankle support and impact protection during motocross or long rides. The non-slip sole provides stable grip on various terrains, and the breathable interior ensures comfort over extended use. Overall, these boots are a durable, comfortable, and practical choice for outdoor riding and everyday motorcycle adventures. Number 4. Motorcycle Boots Man. The Skoiko Motocross Boots offer solid protection and comfort for off-road and daily riders. Their waterproof build keeps your feet dry in harsh weather, while the anti-fall design provides reliable ankle and shin support. The boots feel sturdy yet flexible enough for long rides. With durable materials, strong grip soles, and a secure closure system, they deliver confidence on rough terrains. A great choice for riders looking for safety, comfort, and long-lasting performance in one pair. Number 5. Motorcycle Boots Man. The Motorcycle Long Boots B1001 deliver solid protection and comfort for motocross and off-road riders. Built with durable materials, they offer excellent ankle support, reinforced toe and heel guards, and strong grip soles for confident control on rough terrain. The high-cut design keeps your legs protected from impacts and debris. Despite their rugged build, they feel surprisingly comfortable for long rides. Overall, these boots are a reliable and professional choice for riders who want safety, stability, and performance. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.